My dear friends, today I will show you how to clean solar panels with floor cleaning microfiber mop. Using floor cleaning microfiber mop would allow us to complete the task much perfectly while saving lots of water. Now what you see are bifacial solar panels. Quantity 4 numbers. From Vikram Solar, heavy, sticky, oily dust and bird droppings accumulated on these solar panels. In the last 2 months, these panels are not cleaned. If you decide to clean your solar panels yourself, you may find that some stains, such as bird droppings and oily surfaces, are particularly difficult to remove. Due to the high temperature, they can be baked onto the surface of solar panels. Birds that could result in an accumulation of droppings that obscure the PV cells and damage the surface due to acidity-reducing efficiency. There is also possibility of hot spots due to bird dropping. Solar cells become hot due to non-reactive cells of bird dropping area. I have taken lots of efforts to make this video. To understand all steps and tricks, please watch this video till end. This is GALA Make Microfiber Floor Cleaning Mop. Its length is 3 feet. Its cost is 600 rupees. Mop is provided with hanging hook. Pull the hook by force. It will separate from handle. Due to microfibers, it is very efficient in cleaning than any other cleaning method, means it will remove all dirt without any traces of dirt on solar panel. It is having very high dust holding capacity, means it will absorb maximum fine dirt dust. Please do not use cotton fiber mop, as it is not as effective in cleaning as polyester microfiber mop. Mop is provided with twist handle. Twist handle is having 2 hand grips for twisting of mop. Bottom grip is movable up and down, and upper grip is fixed one. At center of twist handle, gear is provided for locating movable grip. Locate lower grip in gear. Hold upper grip in one hand and rotate lower grip clockwise. It will twist mop to remove excess water. For untwisting mop, just rotate movable grip opposite to twisting. During cleaning, untwisted mop is used. Due to short length, mop cannot reach up to all panels. I have one 7 feet long CPVC pipe. Its diameter is 1.25 inches. Its cost 400 rupees. This CPVC pipe will increase length of mop to 10 feet. We need to insert floor mop pipe in CPVC extension pipe to increase length. Mop pipe outside, diameter is slight less than CPVC extension. Pipe internal diameter. It is going tightly inside CPVC extension pipe and will not remove during cleaning operation. I have this 1 liter liquid soap bottle named as Solar Panel Cleaning Concentrate. This liquid soap I have purchased online from Amazon. Its cost 400 rupees for 1 liter. I have poured 10 to 15 milliliter liquid soap in bottle lid. I have taken 5 liter water in bucket. Put liquid soap in bucket and stir well. Soak mop in bucket water containing soap solution. Twist mop to remove excess soap water. Attach extension CPVC pipe to mop to increase length. Now I have started cleaning of solar panels. Move the mop slowly up and down on solar panels. Now dirt is getting cleaned by mop. All dust is soaked by mop microfibers. After some time, you will find that mop became dry. Again, soak mop in soap solution and remove excess solution by twisting. Clean all panels. Now we will discuss about safety precautions to be followed. It's recommended that you take the proper safety precautions before getting up on the roof. Besides proper ladder safety, you do just want to have the right tools and materials so that you don't accidentally cause damage to your solar panels with anything abrasive. You should turn off your solar panels and any adjoining electrical equipment. It is recommended to clean earlier in the morning or evening, when the panels are a bit cooler to touch. Now we will discuss about solar panels cleaning frequency. When to clean solar panels, this is dependent on several factors, such as how dirty the panels get and how much rainfall your area gets. There is no hard and fast rule for how often you should clean your solar panels. At worst, you'll go too long between cleanings and notice your energy efficiency has decreased. You can visually inspect the panels to see if there is any dirt or dust build up, in which case it's time to clean. That said, a good rule of thumb would be cleaning your panels minimum 3 or 4 times per year. Learning how to DIY clean solar panels will help you continue to save money on your energy costs while also extending the lifespan of your panels. This task is also a beginner-friendly home maintenance chore that doesn't require much expertise, thankfully. The solution is relatively easy to implement. By cleaning solar panels with a basic cleaning solution, you can remove the grime and get your solar panels back to maximum efficiency. Now, first step of solar panels. Cleaning finished. Still, some dirt is present on solar panels. Now we are proceeding to second step of cleaning, where all panels will be 100% cleaned. Now take full bucket of fresh water. Wash the dirty mop in fresh water. It will remove all traces of dirt and soap from mop. Repeat this procedure 2 to 3 times till complete dirt removed from mop. After cleaning with detergent solution, now cleaning panels with fresh mop. Now see all remaining dirt on solar panels is removed. All solar panels are now glowing. This is most efficient solar panels cleaning method. This method will also remove traces of detergent on panels. This is necessary to avoid damaging effect of detergent on panels. How much of a difference solar panel cleaning actually makes is dependent on a number of factors, such as the number of solar panels you have, how dirty they get, and the general weather conditions of your area. PV panels installed in areas with high levels of pollution, especially near factories, highways, or airports, will experience high levels of atmospheric grime and oil build-up. Deserts with dry and dusty climates see larger accumulations of sand on PV panels that block light and scratch the surface. Pollution is typically higher during the winter, when cold air traps pollutants closer to the ground than the warmer air of summer. Now you are seeing dried panels after cleaning. Nearly all loose, sticky and oily dirt removed. This is very effective cleaning method. Here, I have cleaned all 4 panels in only 3 bucket water with minimum of wastage of water. Water is important to us. I have also shoot with micro camera. Panels' individual cells are now visible. Every area now looking clean. Only disadvantage of this method is that it is time-consuming and manual efforts are needed. If any falling hazard due to height, then do not use this method. If the cells are blocked by debris or layers of grime, then the efficiency of the panels may be reduced. Research reported by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory estimates that accumulated dust, dirt, soot, and other particulates can decrease the efficiency of solar panels by 7%. So, how should solar panels be treated to remove soiling energy losses? Besides enjoying sustainable energy, one of the best parts of solar panels is that they are low maintenance and are designed to operate for 25 to 30 years. Keep your solar panels as energy efficient as possible, but it's still important to keep them clean to continue achieving optimal power generation. Learning how to clean solar panels will help you protect your investment and keep your energy costs down. It's vital to keep your solar panels clean and debris-free in order to get the full cost-saving benefits of solar electricity. Cleaning solar panels can help to keep your system running in tip-top shape by ensuring that dirt, grime, leaves or debris aren't preventing the panel from collecting sunlight, while rainwater can remove some of the grime that collects on panels over time. It can also cause dirt to accumulate at the bottom of the panels, and it isn't sufficient to remove heavy pollution. Rain can help naturally rinse off your solar panels. But if you live in a dry climate, you may need to clean off your panels more often. The natural power of rain, condensation, and wind are nowhere near strong enough to clean the modules effectively. Solar panels on roofs with steep pitches generally need to be cleaned less often than solar panels on roofs with low pitches. If your solar panels are installed on an angle and there's plenty of rainfall, year-round nature may be able to take care of most of the cleaning process for you. Those with solar panels on a horizontal surface, however, may want to look at cleaning more regularly. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Your one like and subscribe encourages us. If you keep us going, we will get inspiration to make new videos. Jai Hind, Namaste, see you soon with some new unique videos. Video recording and editing by my lovely daughter, Dr. Mansi Ambilwad, MBBS.